So we have left our safe haven of Silverado Motel, which came with its classic cowboy themed service person, and we're heading towards Whitefish. A couple of passes today. Whitefish is a bit concerning because we've got an unusual winter system coming through, which is going to drop 5 feet of snow tonight. So we got up at 4:30, trying to get there before this weather system comes in, because there's already snow down there. There's 45-mile-an-hour winds too. Sketchy, mate, sketchy. There ain't gonna be much video action today. It is wet and cold, or rare.
It's definitely a grizzly.
Yep.
Gee, 3 minutes ago you said definitely a black bear.
Yeah, no.
I'm likely to err on the side of it's a grizzly.
Oh, at least I had a shot at, you know, their ID.
I'm gonna.
Alright, so it's been a while since we saw that grizzly on the trail. Mainly because it's been freezing and raining. But yeah, that was a pretty intense situation. He really didn't want to back off. We kind of had to sneak past him, and he wasn't happy about it. It was pretty full on. But anyway.
Honestly, I've never felt that before. You just got that whole primal sense of just power.
Just when you think you're at the end of the snow on the trail, no, Montana has other ideas. Alright, so I've literally just left Whitefish. Had to wait till 9 AM for an outdoor shop to open so I could buy this jacket. Because my other really cool jacket that I really like, this zip's flogged. So Martin and Brett about 3 hours ahead of me. I'm just going to see how it goes. Like, I'm not going to bust ass. There's actually a lot of people holding up in Whitefish tonight. To wait this weather front out. It's pretty cold and wet, so but I'm just going to keep plodding on. We'll just see where the day takes me.